Hello everyone, and welcome to our detailed review of the 1U rack mount KVM console by Arvitek. In this review, we'll explore every aspect of this powerful KVM switch, which comes with a stunning 17.3-inch LCD monitor designed to deliver full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution. This product is geared to streamline control over up to 8 computers from a single console, making it an ideal solution for server rooms, data centers, and network management situations. One of the standout features of this product is its efficient design, which fits perfectly into a standard 1U 19-inch rack. With dimensions of 600mm by 480mm by 45mm, the console is not only compact but also space-saving. It is specifically built to fit in server racks with depths between 23.5 and 31.5 inches, which ensures that you can easily upgrade your existing network infrastructure without needing additional space. The supplied metal rails enhance its installation process, providing a secure and stable mount. This durability is further reinforced by the metal housing that offers excellent heat dissipation and anti-corrosion properties. Security is another key advantage of this KVM console. With a 2-level password security system, you can rest assured that only authorized users have access to the connected computers. This extra layer of protection is essential in sensitive environments where data security is paramount. Moreover, the upgraded handles and locking clips ensure portability, making it easier to relocate the console when needed without compromising its structural integrity. When it comes to compatibility, this Arvitek KVM switch stands out as it supports a broad array of systems, including DOS, Windows, Linux, Unix, macOS versions 8.6 through 10, and even Sun Solaris 8.9. Whether you're managing legacy systems or modern servers, this console is versatile enough to accommodate your needs. The packing list is comprehensive, providing you with the 17.3-inch LCD display, a combination of 5 and 6 feet HDMI KVM cables, and a reliable power supply, ensuring everything needed for setup is included. Real-life usage has shown the monitor to deliver crisp visuals and smooth transitions between computers, making multitasking efficient. However, while the product excels in many domains, some users might find the physical cables slightly cumbersome to manage compared to wireless or more integrated solutions available in the market. That said, when compared to similar products, the Arvitek KVM console remains very competitive in terms of both performance and price. For best results, we recommend carefully organizing your cables and ensuring proper ventilation to maximize the device's heat dissipation. Regular firmware updates, if available, can further improve its performance and security features. In summary, this Arvitek 1U rack mount KVM console is an ideal solution for anyone needing reliable, secure, and high-quality control over multiple computing systems in a compact form factor. Professionals in IT departments and data management centers will find this product particularly beneficial. Thank you for listening, and we appreciate you joining us for this review. Have a great day, and see you next time.